Yo, hello guys and welcome back again to a brand new video. In today's tutorial guys, I have a special video for you. I'm going to show you how to open vanguard.com account for investing. So without any further talking guys, please make sure to watch this video from now till the end to make sure that you have everything correct and the process of you creating your account will not have any mistakes or errors. So let's get started guys with the first step, which is opening your browser and then go to investors.vanguard.com. So let's go into it. So here we go, Vanguard, and here we go. Now I'm going to click on this first website, and here it is. This is the home page. So now for us to create an account, simply you can just find it from over here, or just click on the top over here. So you can find it on the header and in the website itself. Of course, you can just sign up for online account access or just open an account. So we are going to do both in this video. So let's go to here and here, and we are going to use both. Now this is the same, not the same thing. So as you can see, there is multiple choices. So now we'll start with creating our account. How to do that? Click enter personal here and click on start. Click on accept, and here we go. Now all you need to do guys is answer some questions from first name, last name, SSN, birth date, and zip code. Now let's try, for example, here let's put the first name. So here we go, and here we go. Now for the SSN, here it is, 67, and here for 21. Date of birth, simply, I will just copy this, and here it is. Or never mind, 07, 09, 07, slash 07, slash 1990, and here I have an non-US address. I will just copy this as you can see here and paste the zip code. So click now on continue, and the information you entered does not match our record. Please verify that the information entered matches exactly with your account registration, or contact us for further assistance. I think here your account access, so let's check this out. You'll have immediately access to your account. Oh, sorry guys, first of all, we need, before we do that, we have to actually, so here, this step is actually for restoring accounts, not for actually creating an account. So what first we must do is actually create, open an account from here, and then we go through here. So it's gonna be like the reverse in this case. So now we can go to how can we get you started. I would like to open your accounts with money from my bank or over an employer plan such as 41k, transfer investment from another firm to Vanguard, inherit a Vanguard account, or take full control of my UTMA account. Now let's click on here and let's click on continue. Now as you can see, there is self-guided and advice services. So I will just click here. I have already a login and I'm new to Vanguard, so I'm going to sign up. Here we go guys. Now as you can see here, these steps will take about 10 to 5 minutes for you, 5 to 10 minutes I mean, to actually create your account. So first you must select an account type for personal information and create a login if you don't have one, and add a bank if needed, and as well some few more questions. So now let's get started. Now let's click here, and here we are. Now select the account type that you want to open. So here's retirement investment, general investing, education or general investing for mirror, and here's small business for self-employment and retirement investing. For me, I'm going with the first one. So here we go, or general investing, and here I'm going with individual, and that's it. So now what I'm going to do is click on continue. Now as you can see, they will take me to the second step. Now this step must be 100% legal. Everything must be correct. So let's start with this. Here we go. Legal last name. Here it is. Here I'm going to put sir. Here I'm going to put my email. Here date of birth. So it's gonna be something like 07 1990. Here citizenship, US citizen, and here security number. It's gonna be something around this. Here we go, and here the gender, of course, male. Now let's click on continue. Now provide your address and phone. So here I'm going to put my address. Let's go and do that. Here's the zip code. So here we go, and here the city, Los Angeles, and state is CA or California. Now here you must put your phone number. So let's put it over here, and let's remove this, same as my primary residence, and then I will go to continue. Let's save this. And this now, please review what you have done and what you have entered so far to make sure that everything is correct, because they will have to verify it later on with you in a call. So you must show them yourself, talk to them, and etc. So now let's click on continue and give it some time until they take us to the next step, as you can see now. So now, as you can see, you must please upload your ID. So you have to upload your ID card. Well, now all you need to do is take a picture of it. So it must be a good looking picture without any like blurry or something like that. And when you finish with that, you will go to the next step. So let me just upload like a random picture and be right back to you guys. So here I am guys, after I've added my ID card, and now next step, web access. So now now we will put our login information. So here for example I will choose this, here I will use this one, and here this one as well. Now guys, I have some problems with my password, so I'm going to try to change it a little bit. So here we go. And at least two letters and two numbers and no spaces, so it has to have, so it's gonna be something like that, something like, let's write something like so. So here we go. I hope this works actually. So let's try this again. Here it is. And now what I'm going to do, I agree and then click on continue. Please complete the correct required fields. I don't know what to add, to be honest. Is it wrong? Okay. Let's try, for example, this Google code. So, okay, it's working. Continue. Now, security question. What was the first name of your first boyfriend or girlfriend? Here, for example, I can write, for example, something like that. Security question. What is your favorite book? What is your favorite actor? What is the city your mother born in? CA. And here, what was your high school mascot? Don't use the word the. Okay, what is your favorite hobby? Okay, playing. Something like that. And then continue. So now after we finish with that, they will take us to the last step. So now all you need to do is wait and an account shall be opened. So we saved your progress. So on the next screen, you will add the bank on file. So let's go to it. So click on continue. And now you have to select your bank to start the authentication process. So now you have to choose your US bank that you have. So for example, you can choose US bank from here, and then you must have connect to that bank that you have, or link bank manually from here. As you can see, put the routing number, account number, confirm your account number, then the check-in, and when you finish with all of that, just click on continue and it will be connected. And just like that, you have created your own Vanguard account and your own Vanguard investing account. So yeah guys, that is pretty much it. So thank you a lot for watching guys, and see you guys in the next video.